Amber, I totally love you so much. Happy birthday, girl. This is so exciting. I know. Birthdays are a really important time because it means you're getting older and hopefully learning things about life. But just in case you haven't been paying attention, I'm going to give you some shorthand here. I put together a number tonight which I think expresses the most important thing I've learned about life.
What?
This is a totally serious number. So if you would just please run the music, we'll get started here. This is totally serious. I remember the night my house burned down. I can still see the face of my father as he runs in and scoops me up in his arms and carries me through the hallway out of the burning building. And as I stood there on the sidewalk, shivering in my pajamas, I watched my whole world go up in flames. But after it was all over, I thought to myself, is that all there is to a fire? Is that all there is? Is that all there is? If that's all there is, my friends, then let's keep dancing. Let's break out the booze and have a ball. Toolbox. If that's all there is. And then, when I was 12, my father took me to the circus. The greatest show on earth. I remember there were bears and giraffes and elephants and a beautiful lady in pink tights high above the crowd. And as I was sitting there watching, I kept thinking to myself, there's got to be something more than this. But I couldn't figure out what it was. And after the whole thing was over, I thought to myself, is that all there is to the circus? Is that all there is? Is that all there is? If that's all there is, my friends, then let's keep dancing. Where's my beer? Let's break out the booze and have a ball. If that's all there is. And then I fell in love with the most beautiful boy in the world. We used to take long walks down by the riverside or just stare into each other's eyes for hours at a time. But then he went away. And I thought I was gonna die. But I didn't. And when I didn't, I thought to myself, is that all there is to love? Is that all there is? Who knows? Is that all there is? If that's all there is, my friends, woo! Then let's... Oh, you know what? I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, if that's the way he feels, why doesn't he just end it all now? Well, no, sir, not me. I'm not ready for that final disappointment. Because as sure as I'm standing in front of you here today, I know that when I'm taking my last breath and the end is near, I'm going to look around and I'm going to say, sing it with me, is that all there is? Is that all there is? Is that all there is, my friends? So let's keep dancing. Let's break out the blues.